Hello everyone, this is Satyam Singh Bhadoria. So first of all, I would like to say thank you to Mr. Pradeep Agrawal sir to give him the wonderful opportunity. I take this opportunity and say something on my today's topic. So my today's topic is when my words change someone's life. So one incident happened with me. Because of that incident, I strongly believe the words has the power to change anything. So now I tell you my that incident. 3 years ago, I went to my sister's marriage. In my sister's marriage, I saw my cousin brother who was sitting over the chair. I was finding him little bit upset over there. So then I asked him, hello bro, why are you looking sad? So he said, nothing bro. Then I thought he was telling a lie. So I insisted him too much and I put a lot of pressure on him. So now that's why he starts speaking. He said, bro, my 12th was completed and now my father putting lot of pressure on me to start preparing for IAS exam. Then I said, no matter bro, you can start your preparation of IAS exam. Along with your IAS exam, you start your graduation. So he said, okay bro, I will think about it. So then I came back to my home. After that, 3 years ago, 3 years later, he came to my home and with the packet of laddu and said, bro, I placed in Wipro. Then because of you. Then I said, why, what I did for you? So he said, bro, you gave me one advice in my sister's marriage. You said to start graduation. Then I start my graduation. Then now I got placed in Wipro. So then I said, then I really very happy for him. And I think that words has really power to change anything.